Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kyrtong ubanya Khun ya ke MP election ke Lok Sabha Dr. Batskhem merbo haba ai jingkren hadin balada ban pendong ya ke jing ya pat ba bantur sekretariat uloong baladayan ujor bar usnem arajar apwe barang temu ban sedang ya ke seng bat menta tang hapo kendiat snem lala ban job ha ke election bat ban penne pensa ru ya kimat bapher uloong ru ba Ngim Peit Katno Ngut ki Kyrtong ki ban ya Khun bat ngipet tang ya ki kam san perthai ka Pynjanai Jong hi
Grown tremendously if you compare to 2021 when we started, and in a matter of few years we have been able to win elections and also take the issues of the people forward, and therefore I would say that facts themselves speak about the credibility and also the strength.
Coming to the campaign, are you losing the momentum considering the many number of candidates in the fray?
As I said, we are not looking at the number of the other candidates. We are not looking who contests, who does not contest. We are looking at all politics.
There are reports that a lot of BPP members are resigning, as claimed by some of the NPP leaders. What do you think?
As I said, and as I briefed to the press before, that those claims are exaggerated, and we also, I would say, we are able to attract new supporters, but we don't want to say exaggerated thing. Let the results of the MP by-election speak.
About today's protest, the number that showed up, are you satisfied?
You see, first, we just made a call to the people, and whoever is free to come, they come. As I said, we never make arrangements, we never provide any kind of financial support to the people to come for these kind of meetings. So whatever the number that come to these kind of rallies and meetings, we are grateful to the people and we are always satisfied.
Right. There's a growing debate. Why the streets are not assembly?
That's all we talk about it.
Yeah, but of course from your end.
I will repeat only what he said because they are the MLAs, they know better. So he already replied to that.
Do you think by hitting the street will
you see, politics and democracy continuous process, and legitimacy also is a continuous maintaining process, and therefore politics and democracy it exists and it operates beyond institutions. I think you know the basic operational system of democracy.
What's next? What's the next step?
The next step, we will campaign for coming by election and we will go to the people.
All these issues that you have been raising.
You see, these are the issues that are very significant for the people of the state, and these are the issues that the government has to respond, not to the BPP, has to respond to the issues that the people they have, and we are the channel to express those issues. So let the government come forward, and we, on the part of the BPP, will continue working for the Our stand is very clear right from the time when Dr. Vicky was still the Member of Parliament. He wrote to the Central Ministry not to go ahead with giving the permission to allow the Sri Senate to operate, and we maintain that stand, and even today also we are against that kind of I would say like a stage public hearing.
So do you ask the government to call the public hearing now and why? What is better?